ESurvey Section Road Project. Hello everyone, welcome to the video tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to easily create cross-sections from survey data, design cross-section template, define formation level, and create cross-sections with area calculation and print the sections. You can also learn how to generate volume calculation in this video. Create a new file. Open ESurvey CADD, select File, New, specify project name, say Road Sample, and create a new file by selecting Sections option. Importing data from Excel. For understanding, in this video tutorial, we will import data from field book format. Open C: ESurvey, ESurvey CADD, sample, field_book.xls. You may note that in this format, you have to give serial number, section number, foresight, interim site, backsite, collimation level or height of instrument, and distance or offset. The software will automatically calculate the reduced levels while importing the data. ESurvey Section allows you to import data from 5 different types of Excel formats: layers, series, classic, fixed distance, and field book. Click on Excel Import button and select fieldbook.xls file. Once the data is imported, all the cross-sections will be created automatically. You can navigate from a cross-section to cross-section in the preview screen. Cross-section and longitudinal section settings and navigation. Note that the cross-sections which are generated are in the scale 100:100. That is 1:100 on horizontal scale and 1:100 in vertical scale. ESurvey Section offers you many settings using which you can modify the cross-section to great extent. You can change the scale, header, footer, projection lines, layer names, color, and font property of each item of the cross-section. You can enable graph, you can choose to hatch the area calculation layers, and much more. We will make some small setting like changing caption in footer, changing datum precision to 1, change layer 1 caption as ground levels, and enable project line to layer 1. Now you may observe that all the cross sections are updated as per the changes we made in setting. If you select Longitudinal Section tab and click on the View button, then Longitudinal Section will be displayed. Longitudinal section gets created automatically in ESurvey Section by reading 0 distance values for each cross section. So creating cross sections from Excel files is very easy in ESurvey Section. If you want to import the data from CAD drawings, that is also very simple. The whole procedure of importing cross-section data from CAD is explained in another video. Creating cross-section template. ESurvey Sections allows you to create cross-section templates for road, canal, railway line, and nala. For all the projects, creating a cross-section template has to be done in a similar format. These are some of the examples of cross-sections created using the cross-section templates defined in ESurvey Section. A. PMGSY road template. B. Railway cross-section for new construction. C. Railway cross-section for doubling work. D. National highway template designed using road design module. E. Canal. F. Nala. G. Canal section with soil strata data. Highly complex requirements are addressed using various options provided in ESurvey Section. However, to understand template concepts, we will create a simple road cross-section template for PMGSY road. Click on CS template item in toolbar. CS template master screen will pop up. Click on the triple dotted button next to CS template dropdown. Create a new template by name PMGSY. Close Edit CS template name window. Select PMGSY from CS template dropdown. The typical PMGSY template will have a road width of 3.75 meters carriageway, 1.875 meters shoulder, and 1:1.5 toe line. We will create each one of these items. Click on the New button. select Slope option from Type and give width as 1.875 and camber -2.5%. Similarly, we will create shoulder line with 1.875 with -3% camber. While creating toe line, we will select the type as gradient_W and provide width as 10 meters. We are specifying higher value 10 as the toe line normally to stop where it meets the ground. In ratio, we will provide value -1.5, which indicates ratio 1:1.5. Now we have defined left side of the road. We will also make provision for toe line in case of cutting section. Note that we have to define the toe line from point 3 only. While defining toe line for cutting, we have to also specify one more factor, reference. Reference value we have to specify as below, which means consider the toe line that we are defining now in case if the computed point is below ground. Now we have left side definition of road both for cutting and filling section. By clicking on mirror button, we can create the definition for right side of the road. Applying cross-section template for a section. Now that we have defined the template, it is time to test the template. Select any cross-section and select the CS template PMGSY from the drop-down. Now, we will provide a formation level here above the ground level and see how the result will be. Now, we can note that cross-section is created by filling. Similarly, we will specify a level below the ground level and we can see that cross-section with cutting is created. Sometimes, if the value is very close to ground level, one side may come in cutting and the other side may cut in filling. ESurvey CADD will automatically handle such combinations. Now, you can see that a specific cross-section with ground level and respective cross-section applied is ready. You may note that the formation levels are created in a layer name, Layer 21. You can change the layer names by clicking on Settings button. Here, we will change Layer 1 as ground levels and Layer 21 as formation level. Now, values are there in Layer 1 and Layer 21. So, we will set Layer 1 and Layer 21 as area calculation layers. Now, if we refresh the cross-section, you may note that area between Layer 1 and Layer 21 is hatched, and you can also note that cross-section is updated with the respective area value also. Defining formation level. We have randomly specified the formation level while trying to understand how templates sit on ground level. For entire project, if we have to attach the template, then for each cross-section, we have to specify the formation level. This can be done in different ways. A. Derive formation level from existing center line. B. Give a constant value as formation level. C. Create formation level in software by providing chain age and level at all change points. D. Import formation level from Excel. E. Create a formation level in AutoCAD and import. Most popular among all these is creating a formation level in AutoCAD. We will select LS tab and view the longitudinal section. We will export the same to AutoCAD by clicking on CAD button. Now, we can draw formation level in AutoCAD. After drawing the longitudinal section, we can export it back to ESurvey CADD through LSEXP list program. LSEXP program will ask the drawing scale as inputs and export the line definition to ESurvey CADD. Select Design Formation option from CS Template Assembly menu and click on IMP CAD button to import the formation level defined in AutoCAD. Click the Update button to find formation level for each cross-section depending on the line we have defined. Select Apply CS Template item from toolbar and we will select PMGSY template and apply to all the cross-sections in this project. With this, all the cross-sections are updated with PMGSY template. Show printing of sections. We can print all the cross-sections of the project at a time. Click on Print item from toolbar. Click on CS Preview to generate all the cross-sections as a single drawing. Now, we can see that cross-sections are coming in one sheet, but they are organized randomly. Suppose if you want to print one cross-section per drawing sheet, we can specify A4 template and change the settings in a way that per template one cross-section is set. Now all the cross-sections are arranged systematically and ready to print. This drawing can be exported to CAD, and in CAD, ESurvey CADD provides facility to print all the cross-sections with a single command. Show area and volume report. Once the drawings are generated, area and volume report will be ready. Select Reports icon from the toolbar and click on Area button to generate report having a detailed cross-section area for each cross-section. Click on Volume button to generate the volume report for the entire project. Note that ESurvey Section allows you to generate area and volume reports in different methods like trapezoidal, net area, Simpson's 1/3 rule. Thank you very much for watching this video. ESurvey Section